For the first time in Nigeria, the Makarios luxury place, a breathtaking 21st century smart city located in the new Lagos Ibeju lekki, reminiscent the exclusive Damak Hills in Dubai, first of its kind in Africa, powered by the visionary Matthew Ashimolowo, is offering limited editions of its breathtaking apartments to the public. 6 breathtaking units of Deleazo, masterfully designed detached houses with 6 contemporary bedrooms that leave you spoiled for choice. Limited apartments available. The Makarios is more than an estate. It is a destination city, a revolutionary project that is set to change the way Nigerians live. Welcome to Makarios Luxury Place, Africa's first integrated community where you can live, work and play.